Okay, tell me who you are and what are you doing here anyway?
My name is Dan Greenburg, and I'm in Professor Wheaton's class, and here's my exhibit. It's called Nature's Colors. So it's a combination of vibrant colors taken right from nature, and so far I've got some pretty good comments.
Cool, well you deserve them. How did you come about producing this series?
Well, I needed a theme, and first I had a theme of flying birds, but then I rejected that and realized that a lot of my shots have vibrant colors in it, and so I just made that theme in terms of nature's colors. So you get the natural colors from nature.
Cool.
And thank you.
Thank me for what?
Well, great class. You really have learned a lot.
Glad to be of service. Let's take a look at the pictures.
Okay. That's sunset on Labor Day at Lido Beach in Long Beach.
Just show up.
And that's Central Park, cherry blossoms.
He's my instructor. Oh yeah. I like the cherry blossom. That's gorgeous. That's died for. It might be fun, pal. I can't shake here. So